For today's lesson, you will need a pencil and a sheet of paper. Let's start with reading comprehension. We are going to read the passage Spring. I want you to read the first 2 sentences with me. Follow the pattern and point to the red dot as we read each word.
Today, we are reading Spring. Scholars, can you point to where we start reading? We start at the first line. Now, can you point to where we go when we finish reading this line? We move to the next line. It's time to read the passage. Tap along as we read the first 2 sentences together. We will read each sentence 2 times. Follow the red dot as we read each word. Get your tapping fingers ready. We can fly kites. We can fly kites. We can pick flowers. We can pick flowers. Now it's your turn. Follow the red dot as you read each word. You will read each sentence 2 times. We can read.
Great job! How did you figure out some of these words? Did you look at the pictures? Can you point to the word butterflies in the sentence? Can you sound out the word puddles? Scholars, what is this passage about? It's about fun things to do in the springtime. Great job! Now we are going to identify some letters versus words.
We are going to use this pattern to identify letters versus words. Scholars, how many words do you count? Did you count 3 words? We can have. That's 3 words. Next, how many letters do you count? Did you count 9 letters? W, E, C, A, N, H, A, V, E. That's 9 letters. Great job!
Next, let's go over our letter sounds. I will say each letter sound and do the motion. I want you to point to the correct letter that makes that sound. Are you ready? Our first letter is which letter sounds like? The next letter is. Can you point to the letter that sounds like? The next letter is y, y, y. Which letter sounds like y, y? The next letter is ah, ah, ah. Point to the letter that sounds like ah, ah. The last letter is Which letter sounds like If you pointed to the letters F, H, Y, O, and M, awesome job! You got them all right. Now it's time for matching first sounds. Here, you will choose the correct letter that goes with each sound.
The word is holly. Holly. Which letter does the word holly start with? The word is sand. Sand. Which letter does the word sand start with? The word is yak. Yak. Which letter does the word yak start with?
Matching first sounds helps us with phonemic rhyme. With phonemic rhyme, we listen to parts of a word, then put them together. Let's try an example. Our first word is it. It. Put them together. Which word does it sound like? It. Kit. Say it. It. Kit. Your turn. It. Kit. Last time. The next word is ought. Ought. Put them together. Which word does ought sound like? The last word is ol. Ol. Put them together. Which word does ol sound like? We are going to end today's lesson with some spelling. I have 3 spelling words for you. We are going to say each word 3 times, then we will tap it out, and finally, you will need your paper and pencil to write them down. Our first word is the word wag. Wag. Say it. Your turn. One more time. Wag. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word wag. Scholars, get your tapping fingers ready. We're ready. W-A-G. W-A-G. Wag. Which letter sounds like W? Which letter sounds like A? Which letter sounds like G? Pause the video and use your paper and pencil to write the word wag. The next word is the word tag. Tag. Say it. Your turn. One more time. Tag. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word tag. T, a, g. T, a, g. Which letter sounds like t? Which letter sounds like a? Which letter sounds like g? Pause the video to write the word tag. The last word is the word rag. Rag. Say it. Your turn. One more time. Rag. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word rag. A, g. A, g. Which letter sounds like Which letter sounds like a? Which letter sounds like g? Pause the video to write the word rag. Scholars, thank you so much for reading with me. I hope it helped you grow your brain. I love reading with you.